Hi there, I'm going to show you how to install Read and Write on your iPad and how to use the text feature in typing on SeeSaw and Google Docs. Any Google document actually, Google Slides, anything that uses the keyboard. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the App Store and you need to type in Read and Write and find the Read and Write for iPad. It is RW with a purple puzzle piece. Once you've downloaded that, it's free. You can open it up. Then you're going to go through the steps. So you need to click on Startup Wizard. I'm not going to play the video that is here. I'm going to show you how to enable the keyboard, but I'm not going to go through how to set it up and share it in Safari so it will read browsers and text to students. If you want to do that, I suggest watching this video. And it goes into some more of the details, so it is a good video to watch. So click on Next Step. So it's going to take you to this screen. You can choose the color that is easiest for your child or student to go from. I personally like purple, so I'm going to leave it there. There's two things that you need to turn off. So under speech settings on the side, you need to turn off keyboard clicks, and you need to turn off continuous reading. Continuous reading, if it's on and you're using the feature where it's going to read text to you, it's going to read every single word that you see is seen on the screen, and it won't let you just select a sentence to read or a word to read, so make sure that is off. You do need to sign in under existing Read and Write account. You can use your Google account, you can use any email. I actually used my son's Gmail and his password from school, and it worked perfectly fine. So once you are in and you have those things clicked off, now you need to go into your settings on your screen. So click on Settings, and then you need to make sure you're in General on the side there, and you're going to scroll until you see Keyboard right here, and you're going to click on that over. You're going to see at the top it says Keyboards and the number 2. Click the arrow by the number 2. So right now you have an English keyboard and you have an emoji keyboard. You need to go to the third one down and click Add New Keyboard. So you'll see right underneath English, it talks about a third-party keyboard, and you're going to click on Read and Write. So now that's added to your keyboards. You need to go back up and click on the arrow for Read and Write. And it's going to be off, but you need to allow full access. So now I'm going to show you how to change the keyboard once you're in SeeSaw or Google Docs or Google Slides, so that you have the Read and Write keyboard that will do the predictive text and say the word so that your child can hear it, and then help them spell it correctly. So in SeeSaw, I've gone in and I'm in a blank document and I have the predictive text app. So I'm going to show you the features, and then I'm going to show you how to turn it off. So say I'm going to spell the word they. So I know that they starts with T, so I'm going to type in T. Then it's going to give me the words that are most commonly spelled with T. So I can then go through and click on the word
then, that, the, this,
and I can find the one I want. I can't hold it down and let it put it in there for me, which you can do when you're on a computer, but at least I can know that that says the, and I can then finish typing in it properly. If I want to type in an N word, it's going to give me words that are most commonly used with the letter N. Because also it's the first word in a sentence, so say I want to spell new. New. It pops up that it's a capital. If I try to do the next one, and let's do L, because it sees that it's not the first word, it's going to
like, lot, look,
put a lowercase letter, sorry.
it's.
So that's how it works. How to change the keyboard is at the bottom of this left-hand corner between the numbers and the microphone, you see a little symbol that looks like the world. So you're going to hold that down. That turns it off. So now this is what your screen is going to look like with your regular keyboard. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to hold that button down till it pops up your keyboard setting. There's your English keyboard, an emoji keyboard, and a read and write keyboard. So click on that, then it will pull up your keyboard that's going to do the predictive text. It works the same way in Google Docs. I can go in, hit the world, change my keyboard, and type in, and it's going to give me the predictive text again. And it works the same way from Google Slides. I can go in and I can change my keyboard. It's a little bit different in Google Slides. It keeps pulling that up. But then I'll go from there. Read and write and find out what word I want to use. So I hope that helps you out with spelling and writing assignments for your child, and that it makes them feel more independent and successful with their writing assignments.